Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a PDF file on your iPhone. So let's jump straight into it. And the first thing you'll need to do is head over to your Photos application. And then from here, we just need to head over to the select button in the top right hand side. And you can go ahead and select the photos or photo that you want to convert to a PDF. So you can select as many photos as you want here. I'm just going to go ahead and select 3 for this demonstration. And once you have your photos selected, we're then going to head to the bottom left hand side and click this icon. Scroll down and come over to Save to Files. And then you're just going to go ahead and save these files to your iCloud. Doesn't matter what folder you put these in. So I'm just going to go ahead and leave them here and click Save. Then we're going to head back over to our home screen. Locate the Files application and head inside of here. Head over to the Browse button in the bottom right hand side and locate the folder where you just saved these photos. Now, if you're just converting one single photo into a PDF, all we need to do here is hold down on the photo that we're trying to convert, come into a Quick Actions, and select Create PDF. And now, as you can see, it's created a PDF of this one image file. If you want to do this for multiple images all on the same PDF document, just come over to the 3 dots in the top right hand side, click on Select, and then select the photos that we want to convert. Then come down to the bottom right hand side and select the 3 horizontal dots. Click on Create PDF. And now if I open up this PDF, you can see we have all of our images on the same PDF document. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you create a PDF document on your iPhone. If you did find this video useful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.